Even the Biden White House wanted to set up a Bureau of Misinformation.
Yeah.
How Orwellian is that?
Right. And they did. They did. They had a lot of. They essentially did that.
Yeah. Well, but am I right, Dr. Gold, that the Supreme Court really missed the target in that case? They ruled
Yes.
that was not a violation. The government activity did not violate the First Amendment. There was no civil rights cause of action.
So we very disappointed in the Supreme Court on this one. It was 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, I think. Maybe it was 3 years ago. But they didn't exactly kill it. They sent it back to the lower court, which is a lot of times what these judges do, justices do. They don't want to really decide, or they can't agree amongst themselves, and they sent it back. So the case is actually still proceeding, but they should have given an outright victory to the American people on the side of free speech. I mean, the evidence was overwhelming that the government was ordering the social media companies and legacy media companies too, right? Like the USA Today and New York Times, to censor. The evidence was absolutely overwhelming.
Well, and so the thing that in and of itself is horrifying. But what ought to be really horrifying to people is that the mechanisms and communication channels and all of that was already in place for them to do that.